Right, hello and welcome back to Car Fix. Today I'm going to make a DIY filter for the kids' paddling pool out of an old protein powder bucket and some spare hose pipe adapters that I've got lying around. Nothing bought from the shop, this is all stuff I've got in the house, from hose pipe connections to spare PVC pipe that I've got from emptying my aquariums and refilling them and whatnot. So just to put it into some context, I've got a bucket, miniature bucket here, probably only holds 3 litres of water. Probably could do with a bigger one. It's all I've got hanging around. I have tried to do it with an old fence paint bucket with the lids that the flap seals over, but the pressure just pops the lid off. It needs to be a screw top lid. So this is the biggest tub that I've got with a screw top lid, so I can get out and buy a proper bigger, like 5-gallon bucket or whatnot to do this with. So to start off with, I've done this off camera, but drilled 2 25mm holes into the pot, one for inlet, one for outlet. I have these brass and plastic hose pipe fittings with the threads covered in PTFE plumber's plastic tape to try and make a bit of a better seal. All I'm doing is shoving the threaded end from the inside to the outside of the pot. You want it to be a really tight fit. So just screw through, and hopefully that PTFE tape makes a pretty good, almost watertight seal. You can put some more tape on afterwards. Like I say, I've tried this already with an old plastic fence paint tub, and it was watertight. So at this moment in time, I'm more bothered about this, the lid not popping off, than making these actually watertight. Because I know with more PTFE tape, these will be perfectly watertight. Obviously, to do this properly, you would use a bigger bucket, and you would go down your hardware shop and get some proper bulkheads with rubber seals, as there's many other videos out there on YouTube that show you how to make them. But like I say, this is the middle of a summer's day. Makeshift stuff with what I've got. So you go inlet, outlet, whichever way around you want. And then for the pipes, I've got this. It's a 19mm actual hole in the pipe. And attached to it, I've got a ball valve, which obviously stops and starts the water coming out, which is going to be going on the inlet side. And on the outlet side, I've just got a normal hose adapter. So we'll connect this all up, plug it in to the filter, or to the pump, see if it works. But first, I'll just fill it with a bit of media, which is just going to be rocks to get the bigger particles of it out. So that's about half full in that. Then I'm going to use this aquarium style filter wool, or if you're cheap like me, the inside of a cushion. Does exactly the same job. So I have it 2 layers. Put the lid on, nice and tight. Like I say, if the lid doesn't screw on, the pressure, the water just pops it straight off, so you need a container with a screw on lid. So we'll go over to the pull now. As you see, we've got two on the go. He's going to go on the big one at the back, but that needs topping up, and this smaller one that they've got on the go at the minute, he's the most dirty, so we're going to start with that one. Just connect the pipes up. This is going to go to the filter, the pump, sorry. And as you can see, the ball valve allows me to turn the water on and off. Connect it up. And turn it on. And hopefully we won't get any explosions. See it coming out this end. Back into the pool. The pump that I'm using is £25 on Amazon. Snow Pond Solutions, one about 1,500 litres per hour, so it's not the biggest, it's just what I had lying around for my aquariums and whatnot. And obviously that'll filter your pool out. I'll try and put some outtakes of the other one in there because the lid just kept popping open. I did try and record it, but it was a fail. And as you can see, this is a failure. And then I found this pot. As you can see, it's leaking from the lid a tiny bit. But I mean, you could put a PTFE tape around the lid and it will be fine. So yeah, that's how you make a quick, easy pool filter. Yeah, so as you can see, I've got it set up. I don't know if you can see that on camera, it's too sunny out here, but it's swirling because it's close to the surface. And it's sucking in all the debris like a surface skimmer. So the outlet pushes it round the pool to here, and this sucks all the particles in. The closer you can get it to the surface, the better. If you can see that, the bit's going down into the... skimming it all off, look. That's exactly what you want to see. Just got to get it set up just so it's on the edge of the water, and it'll soon clear the top of your pool. Then, to get the gravel out the bottom, you can literally turn it upside down. I don't know if you can see that, but it's sucking all the dirt off the bottom. So this big bit here, gone. So you can use it like a gravel vac. Or if you set it up right on the surface, it'll skim the surface for you. Either way, it'll clean your pool out. And obviously I will upgrade this to a bigger bucket and probably some proper bulkheads in the future. So if you like the build, again, hit the like, favourite or subscribe. and peace out.